Okay, no more couples videos. Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Joe's Bitcoin videos. Seems like I didn't miss much. Again, as per my previous video with a new all-time high Bitcoin price, congratulations to you Bitcoin investors out there. We've come a long way since the double-digit coins when I started out. Let's quickly look back at the reasons why we are running up. March was a big month for Bitcoin. On March 2nd, a Bitcoin was worth more than 1 ounce of gold. This was after tagging the price on the January 5th run-up and a price floor retest of $728. In late February and early March, we had a run-up anticipating the SEC would approve the Winklevi ETF. Prices made it as high as $1,350 before the feds killed the proposal on the second to last day, sending prices to a low of $900 soon afterwards. Recovering, however, as Japanese officials acknowledged the use of cryptocurrencies and passed legislation allowing retailers to accept payment in digital form. As of the 7th of May, what we've seen is altcoin websites such as Kraken and Poloniex suffering from outages and large sell-offs of altcoins. This coincides with the rise of Bitcoin price here. Previous to this, on SVD, volume impulse indicator set was capped at this level of volume impulse, a very linear and proportional level of strength as we've seen before. First, super long term, we have successful completion of a multi-year cup and handle. While jagged with excessive bearishness during 2014 and premature exuberance in 2016, we have the classic rounding cup and telltale handle. What is my long-term target? 2400. Why 2400? Well, we may possibly get Goxxed one last time. Mark Karpeles has stated that Goxxed, the leading Bitcoin exchange in 2013, before closing its doors in 2014, will be able to pay back its creditors the cash value of their deposits using the remaining 202,185 Bitcoin at 276,046 yen, or $2,418. Once this news spreads, I imagine it will sell early in anticipation of the remaining Goxxed assets being sold on open market. Jumping of the gun, so to speak, much like the Bitcoin price increase ahead of the halvening. I'm not saying that these events hold the same leverage over the price, but human psychology remains the same. At this time, it is unclear whether or not Goxxed distributions will be through Bitcoin with the value of the yen distribution, for tax reasons, or yen directly. Due to the nature of the open market, the 202k coins will not be able to be sold at the same price, so an OTC sale may be held to liquidate the assets off exchange. This may take up to a year, as with the Silk Road seizure coins, as smaller auctions take place. Short-term technical analysis wise. Volume is strong after breaking out from a symmetrical triangle in volume, going back to the beginning of 2017. There was a very minor amount of weakness where the volume rested on what was previous resistance, now support. The SVD volume impulse indicator detected a breakout at $1,249 and has now broken above the average bullish impulse line once again, showing exuberance in the price action above the $2 a day trend which we've seen this year on the back of the altcoin dumps. Looking deeper at the price action, the former price resistance zone of $1,320 on OKCoin futures was tested for support and held. If Bitcoin breaks down and consolidates this new price range, this will serve as an important support level, much like the 2013 bubble at $1,200 spending a lot of time in the $800 range. The Bollinger Bands remain very wide with no sign of market exhaustion on the daily. This is also apparent on the 4-hour candlesticks chart, however, with increasingly widening bands as the market moves up in $250 ledges. The increasing range between the bands indicate that the market is becoming more volatile, and more immediately bullish in this case. But what goes up in such a parabolic fashion must come down. I think that just about wraps it up for this video. Thank you very much for watching and cheers. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this.